Can I have some food if I'm thirsty? Or can I have some drinks if I'm hungry? The answer is, of course, not, isn't it? Similarly, our skin has different needs when we talk about a daytime or a nighttime. So today I'll be talking on a night cream and of course some amazing benefits of it. Is it worth applying a night cream? And of course a very important question. Can a day cream be used at night or a night cream can be used at daytime? So if you're new to my channel, stay tuned and watch till the end. So what is a night cream? Night cream contains higher concentration of peptides and retinols, and that is the reason it is highly recommendable to not to use a night cream at a daytime, because it may affect the skin which is directly exposed to sun, and hence it may harm the skin. See what are the benefits of night cream. Our skin cells regeneration power is higher at night when our body is at complete rest. So if you apply a night cream, it provides a better blood circulation. It removes all the dark spots, it removes all the dirt from your face, it absorbs all the active ingredients of the night cream, and hence it improves your skin texture, it improves your skin tone, and hence provides you a greater complexion at night. And so these are the amazing benefits when we talk about a night cream, and hence it supplies moisture to the dry areas and keep it hydrated. One of the very important factor of night cream is that it acts as an anti-aging factor. So if you apply night cream, it definitely firms up the sagginess of the face. So it will lift your areas, it will lift the skin and will definitely help you out. So when I talk about my personal preference on a night cream, I prefer a night cream from Lotus Herbals White Glow Skin Whitening and Brightening Nourishing Night Cream. And this is how it looks like. You guys can have a look at it. The reason this is my favorite cream because it works on all the skin types. So I usually prefer all the products which works on all the skin types. Second thing, it provides you deep nourishment overnight, and that's again a very important factor. Third point is it is completely non-sticky. So I always love the products which are non-sticky, and hence it enhances glow. So again a very important factor. So because of these reasons, I always prefer a night cream from Lotus Herbals. So let's just talk about this cream in detail. So this basically offers you 60 grams with worth rupees 425, but I'm sure that you will get really good discounts on the running websites which are Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. There are a lot more. You can even find this product on their own website, which is Lotus Herbals. And this So now just quickly see how the application works. So I already washed my face with a face wash. Take a small size, just a coin size cream. Put dots to your skin. As I always say, a gentle massage in upward circular motion. It will always keep your skin free from wrinkles and of course the fine lines. Guys, it's completely non-sticky. I'm almost using this cream from a half decade now, which is almost 5 years now. And here we are done. Again, a very important factor which needs to be taken care of when we say a night cream, and as I already stated that it contains retinol. So girls who are just below 25 years, I would not recommend you guys to use a night cream, or if you want to use a night cream, before going ahead with the ingredients, to not purchase that. You should actually understand that retinol is not basically an element for you. So just before going for a product to choose from, make sure it does not contain retinols at a much quantity. So guys, that's all from my side today. So if you like the video and if you have still not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell. So whenever I'll come next, you guys will be the first to watch it. Thank you. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.